All right, so basically, let's say you don't really have a clue how to do HTML or make a website. One very basic tool you can make websites with is Canva and even a QR code. So if you want a website QR code combo for something simple like this, Canva actually works pretty well. So here's something I just created in Canva. You can of course extend your own page, and you see you have a little scroll bar, and you can like keep scrolling down. So pretty much we can make a QR code. This is going to be showed all in the tutorial of this video. So pretty much the actual creation of the website, I'll show you like a time lapse. It'll look something like this. So the first part of actually making a website is to actually go in Canva, just go like a new tab of Canva, for example, just like this, type Canva. Then you can actually search for the type of design you want. In this case, you want to start with the website first because we need a website to actually set a QR code to, because we need a link from it. So we'll just search the website, and Canva actually has a website generator. We have a few templates we can use, and you can just design a website like normally. We can have elements, like a frame, right? And we can put pictures inside that frame if we want. You can go to like photos. You can drag even one of these photos in like this, right? You can add in text. This of course takes time to style and everything. You can even extend it. Let's say if you want it to be like a scrolling website, you can extend it and add some text here, down here, or something, right? It's pretty much like how you would design a website if you didn't know how to design a website. So this is pretty easy for that. And you can even add sections like this. You see, there's a whole new section, which is much easier than what I was doing. Then you can also add like a different page if you want like a slideshow instead. If you want people to like click like a slideshow, right? So this is all pretty much ways to make it. But the first step after you actually design your website is to publish it, because we need the URL. And I would recommend you edit this because this is actually how it'll show up on Google, and the people will see in the QR code when they scan it. So we're gonna just call it something like example thingamabob or something. I don't know. We'll just make something up. But yeah, you want to, of course, tailor it to your website. Then you want to make sure your publish settings have a description. Make sure that this is how you want it to be. If you want your thing to actually show up in an engine or not, right? Or maybe even add a password if you want. But that depends on your situation, right? So then we're going to publish it. And if RUL is open, if no one else took our name, then it works. And then we can copy the link now, and we can actually visit the website. So here we have the whole website up, as you can see. So this is everything. We even have a page too, so you can do like a slideshow, or you can just have everything on one page, and this thing here won't show up, and it'll be like a full website. Once you create the website, now we can actually create the QR code we can print it with. Although you could just share the link of the website if you wanted, but we probably want a A4 size paper. That's normally what we print, but yeah, you're gonna have to look for that. Yeah, A4 portrait. Portrait means like a phone like this. Then we can pretty much you just go to elements. So elements is for where we can access some apps, and we can literally just search QR code generator, like we see the one down there. But I'll just type it out just so you're sure. And then you see here, this will show up. And if you have the URL in your paste bin, just Control V, and you pasted it in. And now you have the QR code, and you can like style this document however you want. Maybe you want to cut it out and print like multiple of these to hand out to people, or just have one big flyer. You can customize it to your heart's content. I don't know, you add like a race car or something if you want. Boom, race car, add in some text. And that's literally it. You can design it however you want. I'm not going to show you that because it's a Canva designing thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can create a website combo very fast like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like the video, like it so that the algorithm can get this to more people who can just create simple websites like this.